Okay, next we've got the VCZIII VCF, which is a filter. And let's go check this out. I can tell you a little bit about this because I've already known about this module a little bit more than some of the others. Anyway, so these are the bits and pieces coming out. I'll just pull the module out very carefully. Gee, she's tight in here. These tubes are a good idea because it keeps everything sort of protected when it travels, and they're probably cheap as well to produce. Alright, we're not going to need those. A bit of stuff came out of that. Alright, upside down, all the electrons are going to fall out. So there it is, the VCZIII VCF. It's a collaboration of two different modular people, feedback modules of course, and CMS-lab, and you can see the logos down the bottom. So what is this? If you know of the VCS3 from EMS, it's like a 1970s synth. I'll put an image up on the screen now. You'll notice that it's very famous with the pin matrix. This is the filter from that, and it's a faithful recreation. Obviously they have to modernize it so that the circuitry in here will fit the power requirements and electronics of a Eurorack modular synth, but it does have some highlights. It uses the AS394, which is a monolithic NPN transistor pair. You've got selected and matched BC550s and BC560 transistor pairs. It has WIMA capacitors in here. Probably will see them. Sorry about my dog making a drinking sound in the background there. You will have selected 2N3819 FET transistors in here, 2 mixed signal inputs, and the CVs are 0 to 5 volts PP. 10 volt PP CVs can be attenuated with the CV1, and the pot and the resonant CV pot as well, which is this one. Sorry, this one here. Okay, so it's a filter, and it's a VCS3 filter, so we definitely need to check this out in our modular.